Hi students, welcome to Mass Physics-MNR. This is Marke Zoology faculty. In previous session, in 6th class, we are discussed about fertilization and implantation topic in embryonic development of human being. Now, we will continue to the same embryonic development, that is pregnancy and embryonic development. We will continue this. Okay. So in previous class, we are clearly the detailed explanation we are explained, detailed information I gave in previous class, including few objective questions. What is fertilization, ejaculation, and implantation, duration for the implantation. Okay, then before reaching the uterus from the fallopian tube, what type of embryonic stages are there? We are clearly discussed. Okay. Next, after that, in class 7 in human reproduction, we will discuss what is pregnancy and embryonic development is there. As per NCERT, it is completely. Along with NCERT, then I gave some extra points also. Okay. So, ఈ క్లాస్లో మనం డిస్కస్ చేసే పాయింట్స్ ఏంటి అంటే pregnancy means including with the pregnancy and embryonic development, we will discuss the gestation periods in some animals. And in which animal least gestation period is there, in which animal highest gestation period is there, what is the gestation period in dog and cat and elephant and human being. We'll discuss these points in this. Okay, so right now, okay, now we will start this session with the pregnancy and embryonic development here. Okay, first here we'll start with what is pregnancy. Okay, pregnancy and embryonic development. Pregnancy and embryonic. Pregnancy and embryonic development. Pregnancy and embryonic development. See, okay, after completion of the implantation, okay, now the pregnant means the embryo development will be started, right? See, after implantation to up to the what is delivery of the fetus, that is called gestation period. So we'll discuss some animals gestation periods. Okay, gestation period. So gestation period means what? Okay, gestation period means what? Gestation period means, okay, the duration. Gestation period means the duration between fertilization to parturition. Fertilization to parturition. This duration is called the gestation period. In each and every mammal, the particular gestation period is there. The gestation period will begins from fertilization. It is end with the what is parturition. This duration is the gestation period. In this gestation period, what happened means whatever fetus it will, okay, whatever fetus it is attached with endometrium, okay, up from the time to then up to the delivery, that is the gestation period. Growing the fetus inside the uterus of mother is called the gestation period. That's enough. It is from zygote to then delivery baby, means well developed fetus. That is a gestation period. In some mammals, different mammals and different gestation periods are there. Okay, in for example, primates are there, non-primates are there. In primates, one type of gestation period is there. In non-primates, one type of gestation period is there. Means duration between fertilization to parturition, this duration is not uniform in all mammals. Okay, in different mammals, different types of gestation periods are there. Okay, right. First here we'll discuss the least gestation period. Least gestation period in which mammal? Least gestation period in opossum. Least gestation period in a opossum animal in this 12 to 14 days only. 12 to 14 days, that's enough. Least gestation period in the total mammals 12 to 14 days. So from the fertilization to parturition only 12 days gap is there. Means complete immature offsprings are produced by these mammals. Compare with inside the mother uterus, outside the mother uterus development is more. Okay, so least gestation period is present in opossum. Is one non-primate, and after that, highest gestation period it is. Highest gestation period. Highest gestation period in what is in which mammal means elephant. In elephant, highest gestation period is there, and 607 days to 641 days. Okay, it is the highest gestation period. In the total mammals in the kingdom Animalia, in the total mammals in the phylum Chordata in the Mammalia class, highest gestation period. And almost more than what is 2 years gestation period. అంటే ఫెర్టిలైజేషన్ జరిగిన దగ్గర నుంచి ఈ ఎలిఫెంట్ లో ఫీటస్ డెవలప్మెంట్ జరగడానికి అప్రాక్సిమేట్లీ 2 years టైం పడుతుంది అన్నట్టు. సో అందుకే టోటల్ వాట్ ఈస్ మమ్మల్స్ లో లీస్ట్ జెస్టేషన్ పీరియడ్ ఏమో అపోజం లో, లాంగెస్ట్ జెస్టేషన్ పీరియడ్ ఆర్ హైయెస్ట్ జెస్టేషన్ పీరియడ్, దీన్నే మనము లాంగెస్ట్ జెస్టేషన్ పీరియడ్ అని కూడా అనొచ్చు. ఓకే, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ఏ లాంగెస్ట్ జెస్టేషన్ పీరియడ్. లాంగెస్ట్, it is also called as a longest gestation period. Okay, it is also called with the longest gestation period in elephant 607 to 641 days. And along with this, some other animals, for example cat is there. Within the cat the gestation period 58 to 65 days only. 58 to 65 days. And at the same time within the dog, what is 60 to 65 days. Within dog 60 to 65 days. And along with this, for example cows, buffaloes, approximately here in cows 280 days. In cows 280 days. Okay, in a goat, sheep approximately 110 to 120 days. So different mammals, different species of mammals having different types of what is gestation period duration. So these are the important points. Along with this, human gestation period. What is the human gestation period? Okay, along with this we'll discuss the human gestation period. In a human being, the gestation period is we are calculate with 2 ways here. 2 types of values are there. That is 266 to 280 days. 266 to 280 days here. So 266 to 280 days, then how we are calculate this? Okay, for example here, for example, what is from the fertilization, when the sperm is fused with what is ovum, that is the fertilization. From fertilization, that's enough. From fertilization, okay, the gestation period in human being 266 days. 266 days. It means approximately 38 weeks. 38 weeks it is. Okay, and the second one is there from last menstrual cycle. From last menstrual cycle. So from last menstrual cycle, it is 280 days. 280 days, around it is 40 weeks. It is around 40 weeks. Okay, it is around 40 weeks. See, how can we are calculate the human gestation period as 266 days as to 80 days. Then how we are identify? Okay, so I'll explain to you, right? Okay, for example, this is the menstrual cycle. It is the menstrual cycle, and it is one menstrual cycle. Okay, it is the next menstrual cycle. It is the next menstrual cycle. It is the present menstrual. In which menstrual cycle the fertilization is takes place? That is the present menstrual cycle. Then it is the middle of the menstrual cycle, 14th day. Okay, 1 to 13th day, and here 14 means 15th to 28 or 30 days here, 28th day. Okay, see, what is the ovulation day in menstrual cycle? 14th day. See, at the 14th day, the ovulation is takes place. The secondary oocyte is produced here. Okay, the secondary oocyte. Now the secondary oocyte is produced. If to this secondary oocyte, okay, the sperm is available, the fertilization here takes place. Actually, the average gestation period in a human being generally we are called as 9 months. Okay, average gestation period we are considered as 9 months. 9 months means what is approximately 36 weeks only. Okay, 36 weeks. 36 weeks means minus 14 here. Minus 14. Okay, average 252 days. 252 days it is. But actually, at the 252 days or at the 36 week or at the 9 months exactly, the delivery will not complete. Okay, to this 9 months again add the fertilization and or the last menstrual. For example, if in this menstrual cycle, okay, here the fertilization takes place. Once the sperm fertilized with ovum, already we are clearly discussed in previous class one point. ఒకసారి స్పర్మ్ ఓవంతో ఫెర్టిలైజ్ జరిగిందంటే నెక్స్ట్ మెన్స్ట్రువల్ సైకిల్ అనేది జరగదు అని క్లియర్ గా మనం డిస్కస్ చేసినాం. దర్ ఇస్ నో నెక్స్ట్ మెన్స్ట్రువల్ సైకిల్ వన్స్ ద స్పర్మ్ is fused with ovum. Means this is the last menstrual cycle. It means what? This is the last menstrual cycle. Understood? This is the last menstrual cycle. Okay, means already here 36 weeks are there. Okay, and this is the last menstrual cycle. Then first we will discuss the from fertilization. 36 plus fertilization is takes place at the 14th day. From 15th to 28 days, how many days are there? Around 14 days are there. 14 days means what? How many weeks here? 2 weeks. Okay, 2 plus 36. Okay, 36 plus 2, 38 weeks. Okay, from the fertilization 38 weeks, it means 266 days. We are add more 14 days to the 252, so 266 days is there. Okay, and what is the last menstrual cycle? So this is the last means beginning. We are considered beginning of this menstrual cycle to end of the menstrual cycle we are calculate. So from first day to 13th or here 14th, here again how many days? 14 days. 14 days means here again we are at the 2 weeks days here, 2 weeks. So for to this 38, again we are at the more 2 weeks. Total 40 weeks duration is there. Okay, total 40 weeks. Okay, here 38 plus 2, total 40 weeks. 40 weeks means here what is 280 days, means again to the 266, 14 adding 266, again more 14 days, total 280 days. In our examination asking what is the human gestation period from the last menstrual cycle or from the fertilization. From the fertilization 266 days, from the last menstrual cycle 280 days, the average gestation period is the 9 months means 36 weeks, means 252 days. Generally when the woman conceive, when that woman it is consult the gynec doctor, so the gynec doctor will ask, so how many months that menstrual cycle lasts. So based on the what is the pregnant woman given information, the doctors can decide expected date of delivery. Expected date of delivery they will consider from two ways. One is from the last fertilization, second one is from the last menstrual cycle. Okay, once the sperm is fertilized with this ovum, what happened? The next menstrual cycle will not continue. Means this is the last menstrual cycle. In which menstrual cycle fertilization takes place? That is the last menstrual. So here more 4 weeks are there. 4 weeks plus what is 4 weeks plus this 36, 40 weeks. Means it is the 280 days, nothing but 40 weeks. This is the last menstrual. From fertilization means what? Here already 36 and more 2 weeks we are add. So 38. This is the human gestation period calculations from last fertilization from last what is menstrual cycle. Okay, so in these different animals, different types of gestation periods are there. Approximately these are. So least gestation period and lowest days, few days. That is the opossum, 12 to 14 days, and the longest gestation period in elephant, 607 to 641 days, and cat 58 to 65 days, dog 60 to 65 days, and cows, buffaloes around approximately this 280 days, and women gestation, human being gestation period 266 to 288, 280 days. 266 from the fertilization, 280 days from the last menstrual cycle. Means when we are sometime in our examination asking based on the weeks. Okay, in this from the fertilization 38 weeks, from the last menstrual cycle what is 40 weeks. So these are the few points regarding the gestation periods. Okay, after that we will continue to the what is after implantation. What happened means the embryo will be developed, the pregnancy is confirmed after implantation. Okay, so right here after implantation, now what happened that whenever the what is the zygote is attached with the endometrium, then automatically what is the fetus changes are within the embryo, some changes are happen here. What type of changes are occur? Okay, it is the endometrium as usually. Okay, it is the endometrium. Okay, here the fetus is there, means embryo. Here the embryo is there, implanted embryo is there. Inside the implanted embryo, inner cell mass is there. It is inner cell mass is there. Now within the blastocyst, two layers are there. Within the blastocyst, two layers are there. These two layers are what is, one is the trophoblast outer and second one is the inner cell mass. See, after this, gradually from the surface of the what is feta, what is embryo, the finger-like projections are origin. The finger-like projections are origin here. Gradually from the what is implanted embryo, finger-like projections. Okay, finger-like projections are origin here. So these are the finger-like projections. Okay, these finger-like projections are called as a chorionic villi. Along with this here, inner cell mass is there, as usually inner cell mass. These finger-like structures are called here what is chorionic villi. Chorionic. See, these chorionic villi. Okay, these chorionic villi in future it will develop into placenta. In future it will develop into the placenta. This is very clear information. Actually, from the chorionic villi, okay, one hormone is released. That is the HCG hormone. Okay, that hormone is released. That is the HCG. What is the abbreviation for HCG? Okay, HCG means human choriogonadotrophin hormone. It is human choriogonadotrophin. Human choriogonadotrophin. hormone, human choriogonadotrophin hormone. Okay, so these are human choriogonadotrophin hormone is there. So this is actually what is the importance of this human choriogonadotrophin hormone? See, after implantation, this HCG is the first pregnant hormone. In within the pregnant woman, which hormone is firstly appear? Which hormone is firstly released into the blood? Means that is the HCG. Okay, and to this HCG here we'll discuss 2 points here. It is the first pregnancy hormone. It is the first pregnancy or pregnant hormone. Pregnant. Okay, after pregnancy, which hormone is firstly released means HCG, and it is released in the first month of the gestation period. It is released first month of gestation period. GP means gestation period, short form here. And next, the HCG also called as a pregnancy confirmation hormone. Pregnancy confirmation. Pregnancy confirmation. Okay, pregnancy confirmation hormone. This is, so these three characters are going to this HCG. Very clear. See, okay, then after conceive, how can identify the pregnancy? Okay, once the chorionic villi are release the HCG hormone, this hormone is circulate throughout the blood, and it is also filtered within the kidney. Means this HCG hormone is also released into the urine. So by the usage of pregnant kit. Okay, so within the pregnant, by the using of pregnant kit, then who are suspect the pregnancy, then they are collect the urine, little drop, and the drop of urine is fall on the what is pregnant kit. So if this HCG hormone is there in the woman blood, means nothing but in the urine, the second line will form in the pregnant kit. For example, this is the pregnant kit. This is the pregnant kit like this. Okay, so it is the what is well. So it is one. Here two lines are there. Okay, here two lines are there. So one line is as usually present is the normal. Okay, when drop of urine we are released into this well. Okay, it is drop of urine we are released into this well. If HCG present, okay, if HCG, if HCG hormone present, if HCG hormone present, the second line will form. Okay, so this is, it is formed by the presence of HCG in that. So this is the pregnancy positive. Positive means pregnancy confirmation is takes place. So that's why this hormone is called as a pregnant confirmation hormone, and it is the first pregnant release in the pregnant woman. Which hormone is firstly released in the from the chorionic villi means this is, it is released in the first month of the gestation period. Okay, so this is the HCG information, chorionic villi. See, whenever the chorionic villi are started from the trophoblast and gradually endometrium, what is endometrium is, it is these chorionic villi are enter into the endometrium. Now between embryo and endometrium, what is the finger like digitative structures are formed. These finger like digitative structures are what is involved in the supporting to the growing embryo. The embryo that what is size of the feet embryo is gradually increased. The increased embryo get support, get more support from the endometrium. If the size of the embryo is more, here less support is there, it is gradually detached, and that is leads to abortion. So that's why this chorionic villi has major role. Okay, see, outer layer of the embryo is what here, trophoblast. Okay, it is the trophoblast. Outer layer is the trophoblast, and inner layer of the embryo is the inner cell mass. Inner cell mass it is. It is the inner cell mass. These are there. right? After that, what happened here, right? It is gradually increased. That fetus is gradually increased. Means that embryo is gradually increased in size. And here, after that, gradually within the fetus, some changes are also occur. That changes are what type of changes? Inside the inner cell mass, okay, the delamination process occur inside the inner cell mass. As usually, these chorionic villi are more increased in size, concentration also increased, and the embryo size is also gradually increased, and it is the trophoblast. And here it is the inner cell mass. Within the inner cell mass, the delamination process takes place. By the delamination process, within the inner cell mass, two layers of cells are formed. The inner cell mass developed into two layers here. So one layer is the hypoblast, okay, hypoblast or hypomere. It is the hypomere, and second one is the epimere. Epimere. See, hypomere in future it is developed into the embryo. Epimere in future it will develop into the yolk sac, and it is one of the extra embryonic layer. It is one of the extra embryonic layer is formed here. So this is the bilaminar disc. It is the bilaminar disc is formed. Here the bilaminar disc is formed. This is happen in this, and at the same time gradually by the increasing the what is these chorionic villi, okay, the strong connection is formed between endometrium and the fetus. This is the endometrium. The red color is the endometrium. Okay, red color is the endometrium. It is the endometrium. Okay, it is the embryo. See, between embryo and endometrium, the strong connection is formed, and in future, this strong connection will be developed into this total entire structure will develop into the placenta. See, after completion of the implantation, okay, how many days later or how many months later, the placenta development will take place. For the formation of placenta, 3 to 4 months, 3 to 4 months time is taking, and up to 3 to 4 months the embryo can survive by which hormone? Up to this 3 to 4 months the progesterone hormone can maintain the pregnancy. Progesterone hormone is produced from which structure? Corpus luteum. So corpus luteum is maintained by actually luteinizing hormone. Now, whenever the HCG hormone is produced from the chorionic villi, this HCG hormone maintain the corpus luteum. So corpus luteum is maintained by the HCG, then automatically the luteinizing hormone levels will be decreased. Automatically the luteinizing hormone will be decreased. Means the corpus luteum is maintained by the HCG. Then HCG is maintained the corpus luteum. Corpus luteum can release the progesterone. The progesterone is maintained the pregnancy. Okay, so these are very very important points here. After implantation, after releasing the HCG hormone, the corpus luteum can maintain can maintain by which hormone means that is the HCG. Okay, so these HCGs maintain the corpus luteum. Then I'll write the some point here. So, for example, and right. Okay, for example, this is the HCG. These HCG hormone maintain the corpus luteum here. It is maintain the corpus luteum. The corpus luteum can release progesterone hormone. Corpus luteum can release progesterone. progesterone hormone, which is maintain the pregnancy, which is maintain the pregnancy, which is maintain the pregnancy. So it is the what is function of HCG in embryonic development. That's why it is firstly released from the chorionic villi. It is firstly released from the chorionic villi. This is HCG. Actually, once the implantation and chorionic villi are formed from the trophoblast of the embryo, the luteinizing hormone levels are decreased. Okay, luteinizing hormone decreasing. For example, HCG hormone is not released. Luteinizing hormone is decreased. The corpus luteum cannot maintain it. If the corpus luteum is not survive or not exist, the progesterone hormone cannot produce it. And if the progesterone hormone is not available in the woman blood, the endometrium and embryo maintenance, the pregnancy maintenance is also not takes place. Thereby the embryo get what is read out, means abortion. Means the fetus, that embryo read out from the uterus to outside, means removing, means abortion, that is. This is the important point regarding this information. It is clear. So these are the important points in this. Clear? And after that, we will discuss the placenta formation. We will discuss the placenta formation. Placenta formation. So how the placenta formed, right? Placenta is formed by, okay, finger digited structures, chorionic villi or finger digited, intricate manner of the chorionic villi or finger digitative, finger digitative structures, finger digitative structures of what is endometrium and embryo. Endometrium and trophoblast. Okay, these two structures are involved in the formation of placenta. These two structures are involved in the formation of intricate manner. Intricate. Okay, intricate manner. The intricate manner is involved in the formation of intricate manner. It is. Okay, intricate manner. So the intricate manner is involved. Intricate manner means what? It is the trophoblast vegetative, it is the endometrium. These both are like intricate manner it is. So it is involved in the formation of placenta. Understood? It is the placenta formation. What are the functions of placenta? Now we will discuss the functions of placenta. Functions. So which functions are done by the placenta? Functions of placenta. Okay, say the placenta can secrete some hormones. Some hormones are released by the placenta. And which hormones are released from the placenta? Okay, that is important point here. The hormones are, okay, that hormones are, one is the HCG, it is as usually released from the placenta. And second one is the HPL. Okay, this HPL is also called as a anti-insulin hormone. It is also called as a anti-insulin hormone. It is also called as a anti-insulin hormone. What is the abbreviation for HPL? HPL means human placental lactogen hormone. HPL means human placental lactogen. Human placental lactogen hormone. Human placental lactogen hormone. It is the HPL. It is act as a anti-insulin. Means what is the role of insulin? which is inhibits the cellular uptake of glucose. Actually, it is increase the, not inhibit, increase the cellular uptake of glucose. That's why oftenly the what is insulin is causes to decreasing the blood glucose level. Okay, but the HPL hormone, which is completely inhibits the function of insulin. It is inhibits the function of insulin. That's why what happened within the woman blood, the glucose level, certain level will be increased. ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే ప్రెగ్నెంట్ ఉమెన్ లో నార్మల్ ఉమెన్ కంటే ప్రెగ్నెంట్ ఉమెన్ లో గ్లూకోజ్ లెవెల్ అనేది ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. దానికి రీజన్ ఉంది. అలా బ్లడ్ లో ప్రెగ్నెంట్ ఉమెన్ లో గ్లూకోజ్ లెవెల్ ఎక్కువగా ఉండడానికి రీజన్ ఏంటంటే ఆ ప్రెగ్నెంట్ ఉమెన్ బ్లడ్ లో, ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్లీ ప్రెగ్నెంట్ ఉమెన్ బ్లడ్ లో వాట్ ఈస్ హెచ్పిఎల్ హార్మోన్ ఉంటుంది. ఈ హెచ్పిఎల్ హార్మోన్ ఏం చేస్తుంది అంటే ఇన్సులిన్ ఫంక్షన్ ని రెడ్యూస్ చేస్తుంది. ఇన్సులిన్ కి ఎగ్నెస్ట్ గా, యాంటీ ఇన్సులిన్ అన్నాం దీన్ని. ఇన్సులిన్ కి ఎగ్నెస్ట్ గా వర్క్ చేయడం వల్ల ఏమవుతుంది, ఇన్సులిన్ లెవెల్ అనేది, ఇన్సులిన్ ఫంక్షన్ అనేది డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. ఇన్సులిన్ ఫంక్షన్ డిక్రీజ్ అవుతే సెల్లార్ అప్టేక్ ఆఫ్ గ్లూకోజ్ డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. సెల్లార్ అప్టేక్ ఆఫ్ గ్లూకోజ్ ఇస్ డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. సెల్లార్ అప్టేక్ డిక్రీజ్ అయిందంటే బ్లడ్ లో గ్లూకోజ్ లెవెల్ రైజ్ అవుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు మదర్ బ్లడ్ లో గ్లూకోజ్ లెవెల్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటే గ్రోయింగ్ ఫీటస్ బ్లడ్ లో తక్కువ ఉంటది. అప్పుడు హై కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ టు లో కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ గ్లూకోజ్ అనేది త్రూ ప్లాజెంటా తోటి ఫీటస్ బాడీలోకి వెళ్తుంది. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఆస్మోసిస్ అనేది అప్లికేబుల్ అవుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు మదర్ బ్లడ్ లో ఉండే గ్లూకోజ్ లెవెల్, ఫీటస్ బ్లడ్ లో ఉండే గ్లూకోజ్ లెవెల్ రెండు సేమ్ ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి, న్యూట్రిన్ ట్రాన్స్పోర్టేషన్ అనేది జరగదు, మదర్ టు ఫీటస్ జరగదు. అందుకే దట్స్ వై కంపేర్ విత్ ఫీటస్ బ్లడ్ న్యూట్రియంట్ లెవెల్, మదర్ బ్లడ్ న్యూట్రియంట్ లెవెల్ ఈజ్ మోర్. దట్స్ వై ద న్యూట్రిన్ ట్రాన్స్పోర్టేషన్ ఈజీలీ will done based on the osmosis. High concentration to low concentration, the nutrients and gases will be transferred. So this is very important thing. The HPL hormone it is act as a anti-insulin hormone. It is reduce the insulin function. This is one. Along with this, okay, relaxin hormone is there. Okay, actually the relaxin hormone not from the placenta. It is not from what is placenta. It is from the what is it is from the corpus luteum. It is from the corpus luteum. See, still after formation of placenta also corpus luteum will be survive, and the corpus luteum and placenta, these both are release the progesterone, estrogen, and the additional function of the corpus luteum, production of relaxin hormone. In 2022-23 question is there, which structure of the female reproductive system can release the relaxin hormone? That is from the ovary, or within the ovary, which structure? Corpus luteum only. The relaxin hormone is not produced from the placenta. It is only from the corpus luteum. Corpus luteum is involved in the production of what is relaxin hormone. What is the role of relaxin? At the time of parturition, the total pelvic muscles are get relaxed by the action of this relaxin hormone. Especially the relaxin is act on the pubic symphysis muscles. Thereby the diameter of birth canal will be increased, and fetus easily comes out from mother uterus to outside through the large or expanded diameter of the birth canal. So these are the important points regarding what is this. And along with this, other hormones are also. Other hormones means what? Progesterone hormone. Okay, other hormones means here progesterone hormone. Okay, progesterone. Okay, it is one. Next, estrogen, and several folds of cortisol, and thyroxine hormone. So these hormones are present several fold high, several fold high concentration is there. Several fold high concentration. Several fold high concentration is there. High concentration. Several fold high concentration. It is. That's enough. Several fold high concentration. What is advantage the presence of these hormones in high level? Estrogen, pregnancy, maintenance. It is clear. Progesterone also same thing. Cortisol and thyroxine. Cortisol is one of the what is main point, that is gluconeogenesis. Gluconeogenesis means it is causes to increasing the high glucose concentration in the woman blood. At the same time, thyroxine, it is helps to increasing the basal metabolic rate for more energy, more ATPs. That more ATPs can be transferred to the fetus body through the placenta. That's why, compared with non-pregnant women, in pregnant women, these hormones are several fold. And these three hormones are only present in pregnant women. And these hormones are along with the pregnant women. In normal women also, these four hormones are there, but the normal quantity is present. But in a pregnant woman, these are present several fold high. Okay, in our examination asking, what are the which hormones are present in only pregnant woman blood? Okay, only in pregnant woman blood, these three types of hormones are there. Only in pregnant women. Only in pregnant woman blood. Only in pregnant woman blood. It is. Only in a pregnant woman blood. These three hormones are there. Very important points. Maximum in every year one question is there from this embryonic development regarding these hormones. These hormones are not only in pregnant women, in non-pregnant women also these hormones are there. సో ఈ 3 హార్మోన్స్ మాత్రమే ప్రెగ్నెంట్ ఉమెన్ లో ఉంటాయి. ఇవి నార్మల్ ఉమెన్ లో కూడా ఉంటాయి, కాకపోతే నార్మల్ ఉమెన్ లో నార్మల్గా ఉంటాయి. ప్రెగ్నెంట్ ఉమెన్ లో ఇవి కొంచెం ఎక్కువ ఉంటాయి, ఎక్కువ కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ ఉంటాయి. ఎందుకంటే ఎక్కువ ఎనర్జీ ప్రొడ్యూస్ కావాలంటే ఈ హై కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ ఎక్కువ ఉండాలి. ఓకే, సో అది ఇక్కడ మనకు డిస్కస్ చేసి వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్స్. విచ్ హార్మోన్స్ ఆర్ ఓన్లీ ఫౌండ్ ఇన్ ప్రెగ్నెంట్ ఉమెన్ బ్లడ్ మీన్స్ దీస్ 3 హెచ్సిజి, హెచ్పిఎల్, రిలాక్సిన్. వీటి ఫంక్షన్ ని మీకు క్లియర్ గా డిస్కస్ చేసిన. ఓకే, సో ఇది మనకు హార్మోన్స్ ప్లాజెంటా స్ట్రక్చర్లలో ప్లాజెంటా ఎలా ఫామ్ అవుతుంది ఇక్కడ డిస్కస్ చేసినాం. ప్లాజెంటా నుంచి రిలీజ్ అయ్యే హార్మోన్స్ ఏంటో ఇక్కడ డిస్కస్ చేసినాం. వాటి ఫంక్షన్ కూడా డిస్కస్ చేసినాం. ఓకే, వాటి ఫంక్షన్ కూడా డిస్కస్ చేసినాం. ఇది క్లియర్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్. అండ్ అలాంగ్ విత్ దిస్ వన్ మోర్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్ ఈస్ దేర్. దట్ పాయింట్ ఈస్ ఓకే, progesterone hormone level reduced from the 7th month of the gestation period. Okay, progesterone hormone, very important point. Progesterone hormone, progesterone, what is reduced from the 7th month of the gestation period. 7th month of the gestation period. From the 7th month of the gestation period. See, what is the reason for decreasing the progesterone hormone from the 7th month of the gestation period? Already I said now, what is without progesterone the embryonic development will not continue. But why from the 7th month of the gestation period the progesterone hormone level will be reduced? దట్ ఈస్ ద క్వశ్చన్. ఇప్పుడు ప్రొజెస్ట్రాన్ హార్మోన్ లేకపోతే ఎంబ్రియానిక్ డెవలప్మెంట్ అనేది జరగదు, అబార్షన్ జరుగుద్ది, ఎండోమెట్రియం డెవలప్మెంట్ కాకపోతే అని చెప్పాను. మరి ఇక్కడ ప్రొజెస్ట్రాన్ హార్మోన్ 7th మంత్ నుంచి డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. మరి అప్పుడు ప్రెగ్నెన్సీ ఫీటస్ ఎలా సర్వైవ్ అవుతుందంటే అవుతుంది. ప్రొజెస్ట్రాన్ హార్మోన్ ఓన్లీ దేనికి యూజ్ అవుతుందంటే ఎండోమెట్రియం డెవలప్మెంట్కి మాత్రమే యూజ్ అవుతుంది. సేమ్ టైమ్ సమ్ మెటబాలిక్ యాక్టివిటీస్ లో ఉంటుంది. బట్ మేజర్ రోల్ ఏంటంటే మెయింటెనెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ప్రెగ్నెన్సీ ఇన్ ఎర్లీ ఎంబ్రియానిక్ కండిషన్, ఎర్లీ జెస్టేషన్ పీరియడ్. ఒకవేళ ఈ ప్రొజెస్ట్రాన్ హార్మోన్ అప్ టు 9 months ఆఫ్ ద జెస్టేషన్ పీరియడ్ వరకు ఈ ప్రొజెస్ట్రాన్ హార్మోన్ హై లెవెల్ ఉందనుకోండి, సో ఎండోమెట్రియం ప్లాజెంటా చుట్టూ కూడా ఎక్కువ డెవలప్ అవుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు డెలివరీ అప్పుడు బేబీ రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది. రిలీజ్ అయిన తర్వాత ప్లాజెంటా కూడా రిలీజ్ కావాలి కదా! ప్లాజెంటా కూడా రిలీజ్ కావాలి అంటే ఎండోమెట్రియం అనేది లైట్‌గా అటాచ్ అయ్యి ఉండాలి అప్పటికి. అప్పటికి లైట్ డీఅటాచ్‌మెంట్ స్టార్ట్ కావాలి. అలా డీఅటాచ్‌మెంట్ స్టార్ట్ కావాలి ఆర్ దట్ ప్లాజెంటా గెట్ లూజ్ కనెక్షన్ విత్ ఎండోమెట్రియం. How it is possible? Means that is possible by the reducing or decreasing the progesterone hormone level. If by the up to the end of the gestation period, if the progesterone level is more, what happen? It is more developed the endometrium. Endometrium is tightly packed the placenta, and after delivery of baby, the placenta is not detached from the endometrium. So when the doctors are tightly pull that placenta from the endometrium, what happen? Along with the what is placenta chorionic villi, the endometrium chorionic villi contain blood capillaries are also tear. After rupturing the high blood capillaries, heavy blood can loss from the body. Sometimes that is leads to death of the mother. Reason, what is that? Heavy loss of blood, high blood loss from the ruptured endometrium. So that's why automatically the progesterone hormone levels will be reduced. It is very clear information regarding the progesterone hormone. So these are the placenta functions. These are the placenta. And after that, we'll discuss that gestation periods, 9 months duration. In which month of the gestation period, what type of events are occurred in the embryonic development? We'll discuss the events. So, for example, it is events in gestation period. Events in gestation period. Okay. Then average gestation period. Okay. And average gestation period. Average gestation period in human being, what is how many months? 9 months. This 9-month gestation period can be divided into 3 trimesters. Okay, this 9-month gestation period can be divided into 3 trimesters here. Three trimesters. Here, each trimester has 3 months. Each trimester has 3 months. Each trimester has 3 months. Each trimester has 3 months here. Okay. See, first, what is it? Is the 9 months gestation period. This 9-month gestation period can be divided into 3 trimesters here. Okay. It is the first trimester. It is the second trimester. It is the third trimester. Okay. So these are. It is the second trimester. It is the third trimester. So in first trimester, how many months are there? Each trimester, how many? 3 months. See, in first trimester, first month, second month, and third month. And second trimester, 4th, 5th, and 6th month. In third trimester, 7th, 8th, and 9 months. Total 9 months gestation period duration is there. Okay. Here, what is this? Right. It is the first month of the gestation period. It is first month. And it is the second month. It is the third month. And it is the fourth month. It is the fifth month. And it is the sixth month. And it is the seventh month. Okay. 8th month. And it is the 9 months. See, in second trimester, in the total 9-month gestation period, which months are there? Means from 4th to 6th month of the gestation period is second trimester. First trimester, first to third? First 3 months of the gestation period, first trimester. Second 3 months of the gestation period, second trimester. Last 3 months of the gestation period, third trimester. Okay, so it is. And in each month, how many weeks are there? In each month, how many weeks are there? Okay, in first month of the gestation period, 4 weeks are there. 4 weeks. And second month here 4 plus, in every month 4 weeks are there. Here again 8 weeks, and here 12 weeks of the gestation period, and here 16 weeks of the gestation period, 16 weeks of the gestation. Here 20 weeks of the gestation period, 20 weeks of the gestation period. Here 24 weeks of the gestation period. Okay, and in 7th month 28th week of the 28 weeks of the gestation period, and 8th week 32 weeks of the gestation period, and here 36 weeks of the gestation period, 36 weeks of the gestation period. So these gestation periods are there here, these gestation periods are there. So this is very important thing. So in total 9 months duration can be divided into 3 trimester, and each trimester 3 months are there. In each month how many weeks are there? So this is the gestation period calculation, right? Now we will discuss the events. Now we will discuss the events in which week or in which month or in which trimester of the gestation period which events are appear. Okay, right. Here in the first week of the gestation period, what happened? Implantation takes place here. Okay, implantation takes place, and embryo development, implantation takes place, and embryo development is there. Embryo development, that's enough. Embryo development, there is no specific event in the first month of the gestation period. And second month of the gestation period, here after 1 month. Okay, here this point is there. After 1 month, after first month, after first month, what happened? First sign of the fetus. Okay, after 1 month, first sign of the fetus. Okay, after 1 month, after first month, first sign of the fetus. First sign of the fetus. What is the first sign of the fetus? That is the heart sound. Heart sound. That is the heart sound. Okay, first sign of the fetus is the heart sound. Okay, so this is very, very important. Then how can we are identify the heart sound? Means with the help of stethoscope. Okay, with the help of stethoscope, we are easily hearing the sounds. It is the first event. Okay, after this, next in this it is one, and the next one, what is finger limbs and digits are formed in this. Okay, end of this month. Okay, end of this month, end of this month, end of this month, what happened? Finger digits, end of this month, here what is limbs and digits are formed. Limbs and digits, limbs and digits are formed. Limbs and digits are formed. Okay, it is one important thing. So these events are appeared in the 8th week of the gestation period or second month of the gestation period or within the first trimester. It is one. And next 12th week of gestation period. In the 12th week of the gestation period, what is almost by the end of the first trimester, almost by the end of the first trimester, almost the all organogenesis will complete. Almost all organs organogenesis process will complete. Means internal organs are well developed, and that is indicate well developed external genitalia, appearance of or well developed external genitalia or appearance, or we will write that well developed external genitalia appear. Well developed, what is external genitalia? Well developed external genitalia. external genitalia, well developed external genitalia, it is appear. See, along with the external genitalia, okay, what is, whatever limbs and digits are appeared in the end of the second month, okay, by the end of this 12 week of gestation period, end of this month, okay, limbs and digits are well developed. Okay, what are limbs and digits are well developed here. Limbs and digits, limbs and digits are well developed. Limbs and digits are well developed. So it is one important point. Limbs and digits are well developed. In end of the second month, just these are formed. Here, well developed end of the first trimester, end of the third month. So these are first sign of the fetus is the heart sound. Okay, first sign of the fetus, that is heart sound. It is first sign of the fetus is the heart sound. That's enough. First sign of the fetus is the heart sound. And next, in the second month, we are observed limbs and digits are formed. In 12 week of gestation period, that is well developed external genitalia, and it is continuation. And end of this month means second month, end of the third month, limbs and digits are well developed. Limbs and digits are well developed in this. Okay. Next, come to the fourth month or in the beginning of the second trimester. Okay, beginning of the second trimester we will observe here. In the beginning of the second trimester means in the fourth month of the gestation period, in the 16 week of gestation period, there is no specific events. What organs are organized in the first trimester? That organs are well developed. Okay, organized organs are well developed. That's enough. Okay, there is no specific event we are observed. We are not observed the specific event in the what is fourth or 16th week of the gestation period. Okay, and next fifth week of the gestation period. Here important points are there. In the fifth week of the gestation period, the first movement of the fetus. Okay, here we are observed that first movement of the fetus we are observed here. First movement. Okay, it is very important. First movement of the fetus. First movement. First movement of the fetus. First movement of the fetus. We are observed in the 20th week of the gestation period. See, it is okay. So here it is in the 20th week of the gestation period. First movement of the fetus is there. General ga pregnant woman lo fetus movement, mother uterus lo fetus grow అవుతున్నప్పుడు ఫీటస్ ఏ మంత్ లో కదలడం స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది, ఫీటస్ మూవ్మెంట్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుందంటే ఫిఫ్త్ మంత్ ఆఫ్ ద జెస్టేషన్ పీరియడ్ లో ఫీటస్ మూవ్మెంట్ స్టార్ట్ అవుద్ది. ఓకే, సో అది ఫస్ట్ సైన్ అన్నట్టు. ఇక్కడ ఫీటస్ మూవ్మెంట్ అనేది ఎప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ అవుతుందంటే ఫిఫ్త్ మంత్. అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ మంత్, ఓకే, end of this month, fine hair appear on the head. Hair appear on the head here. Hair. Okay, hair appear on the head. Hair appeared on the head. Hair appear on the head. So it is very important point. Hair appear on the head in which month of the gestation period means in the fifth month of the gestation period. So these two events are we are clearly observed in fifth month of the gestation period. Next, in the 24th week of the gestation period here, what is fine hair appear on the head? Fine hair appear on the skin. Fine hair appear or form on the skin. Fine hair appear on the skin. Okay, it is important, one important point. fine hair on the skin, and one more, eyelids are separated. Eyelids are separated. It is one. Eyelids are separated, and eyelashes are formed. Eyelashes are formed. Eyelashes are formed. So these are the important points. Eyelids are separated and eyelashes are formed. So these events are there in the second trimester of the gestation period. Okay, and from 7th to 9 months of the gestation period, the fetus will increase in size. Fetus size will increase. That's enough. Fetus size will increase, and there is no event. There is no specific events within the last trimester. Okay, within the last trimester, there is no specific events we are observed. We are not observed any specific events. Okay, and whatever organs are organized up to 6th month of the gestation period, and in the last trimester, what is that organs are well developed in size, and the fetus size will increase in the last trimester. Okay, so these are the events. Okay, once again I'll explain to you. In first trimester, in first month of the gestation period, in first 4 weeks, what is implantation, embryonic development, these are started. That's enough. Next, second month and 8th week of the gestation period, after first month, the first sign of the fetus, that is the heart sound. We are listening with the help of stethoscope. First sign of the fetus is the heart sound we are heard with the help of stethoscope. This first thing. In the same month, limbs and digits are formed in the first month, second month of the gestation period. Next, third month of the gestation period or 12 weeks of gestation period, what is well developed organs are there. Specifically, the external genitalia is appeared. That is the indication. Next, end of this month, limbs and digits are well developed. Just in second month, these are formed, and here limbs and digits are well developed in this. Okay, so up to here it is the first trimester of the what is gestation period in the first 3 months, and in the next second trimester and next 3 months, 16 weeks, there is no specific event. In 16 weeks or in the fourth month of the gestation period, there is no specific event. That organs are just well developed in size. That's enough. And in the 20th week of the gestation period, okay, so here the first movement of the fetus we are observed. First movement of the fetus we are observed clearly here. And after that, end of this month, what is hair appear on the head. On the head portion, which month of the gestation period, what is the hair appeared, means in the 20th week of the gestation period or 5th month of the gestation period, the fine hair appear on the head. Fine hair appear on the head. And after that, in the 24th week of the gestation period or in the 6th month of the gestation period, fine hair appear on the skin. At the same time, eyelids are get separated, eyes are open. At which month of the gestation period, the baby can open the eyes inside the mother uterus, means in the 6th month of the gestation period or at the 24th week of the gestation period. Okay, next, eyelids are separated. Okay, eyelids, eye open. Next, eyelashes. The eyelashes formation is also at the 6th month. See, compare with eyelids and eyelashes. Okay, what is on the surface of the skin, hair also. Compare with this, hair appear on the head is the first appearing character. First, hair origin on the what is head. Then after, the hair slowly origin from the skin and the eyelashes and eyelids. Okay, so this is the one. And in the 7th month of the gestation, 8th month of the gestation, 9th month of the gestation period, okay, in the last trimester, in the third trimester, what is, there is no specific event. Means what organs are organized in this? These organs are well increased in size. That's enough. Understood? And here one important point is there. That point is the atavistic organs. What type of organs are called atavistic organs. Atavistic. So atavistic organs means what? Okay, atavistic organs means what? Atavistic organs. Atavistic organs means from the well-developed fetus, the new structures are origin. From the well-developed means in the last trimester, which organs are what is origin? Which organs are newly developed or newly organized? That organs are atavistic organs. What are the example from what is example for atavistic organs? Extra finger. Generally, we have 5 fingers. In some persons, extra finger is there. 6th finger is there. The 6th finger is the atavistic organ. It is not developed from the first and second trimester, which is start with the development of these extra finger from the third month, third trimester. Okay, in the last 3 months. These are extra finger and tail appear in human being. Okay, extra finger, it is one extra finger. Okay, and next tail in human being, tail portion. Okay, tail in a human being. In some time in human being in posterior abdomen region, in dorsal to the abdomen, tail portion is appear. Tail is origin. This is also origin from the well-developed fetus. Which organs are origin from the well-developed fetus? That organs are called as a atavistic organs. That organs are called as a atavistic organs. It is very clear. This is the these are the what is events in the embryonic development. Okay, right. After that, by the completion of 9 months of the gestation period, now the fetus is ready to parturition or fetus is ready to delivery. Okay, now we'll go to the discussion about parturition. Parturition. Parturition means what? Okay, parturition. Okay, parturition means what? Parturition means the process of delivery of baby is called a parturition. Okay, then not only the baby, fetus, along with the fetus, placenta also. Parturition means the process of release or delivery of the process of delivery of fetus and placenta. The process of delivery of fetus and placenta, okay, is called what is parturition. This is the parturition. It is the parturition. Okay, right. The parturition will begins from fully developed fetus and placenta. Okay, parturition started from parturition will begins from parturition will begins from fully developed fetus and placenta. Very important. Fully developed fetus, fully developed fetus and placenta. Fetus and placenta. Fully developed fetus and placenta. Okay, so these are important points. Okay, fully developed fetus and placenta. Fully developed fetus and placenta. Okay, right. This is very important point. Okay, it is one. And after this, we go to parturition signals. Okay, so whenever the fetus development process is completed, we are considered that is the gestation period complete. అంటే ఫీటస్ కంప్లీట్ గా డెవలప్ అయింది అని అంటే అర్థమైంది, జెస్టేషన్ పీరియడ్ కంప్లీట్ అయిందంటే ఫీటస్ ఫుల్లీ డెవలప్ అయిందని అర్థం. అలా ఫుల్లీ డెవలప్డ్ ఫీటస్ అనేది దట్ ఈస్ రెడీ టు డెలివరీ, అంటే మదర్ యూటరస్ నుంచి బయటికి రావడానికి రెడీగా ఉందని అర్థం. మదర్ యూటరస్ నుంచి బయటికి రావడానికి రెడీగా ఉందని అర్థం. సో నౌ ద పార్చురేషన్ సిగ్నల్స్ will be begin from the, what is, parturition signals are initiated from the fully developed fetus and placenta, which are initiate the parturition process. Okay, which are initiate the parturition, or which are send the parturition signals, which are initiate the parturition. Okay, which are initiate the parturition. Okay, which are initiate the parturition is very important point. Okay, see, parturition signals are, what is, first that signals are what type of signals? That signals are labor pains. Okay, signals are labor pain. See, whenever the labor pains are started within the uterus, okay, the signals are sent to the hypothalamus. Simply, for example, this is the hypothalamus. It is the hypothalamus. Okay, it is the hypothalamus. Okay, now already here, what is the labor pains are there? Labor pains. Okay, means slowly contraction of uterine wall. Uterine wall smooth muscles are started the contraction slowly. These are the labor pains. The labor pain signals are sent to the hypothalamus as a positive feedback signal. As a positive feedback signals. These are the signals. Okay, so for the signals, the hypothalamus can release oxytocin. Okay, OTTs, oxytocin into the neurohypophysis or posterior pituitary. Into the neurohypophysis or posterior pituitary. From the neurohypophysis, which is released into the blood. Is released into the blood. Okay, through the blood, this oxytocin is reached to the uterus muscles or uterine wall. It is reached to the uterine wall. Within the uterine wall, what are present here? Smooth muscles are there. The smooth muscles are more responded to the oxytocin. Means it is responded to the oxytocin stimulating, and which are continues to the, what is, labor pains. Along with the labor pains, the strong contractions are started. What is? Strong contractions are started here. Strong contractions. These strong contractions, okay, these strong contractions are started. These strong contractions, again, these are sending the signals again and again, which is release the oxytocin. And in this process, several folds of oxytocin is released into the mother blood from the hypothalamus to through the neurohypophysis. Hypothalamus can release. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏంటి, సిగ్నల్స్ యుటరస్ కి వచ్చే కొద్దీ యుటరస్ లో కంట్రాక్షన్స్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతాయి. ఈ ఇంక్రీజ్ సిగ్నల్స్ అనేవి మళ్ళీ హైపోథాలమస్ సిగ్నల్స్ వెళ్తూనే ఉంటాయి కంటిన్యూగా. ఇలా కంటిన్యూస్ సిగ్నల్స్ రీచ్ అవడం వల్ల ఇది కంటిన్యూగా ఆక్సిటోసిన్ ని రిలీజ్ చేస్తూనే ఉంటది. ఈ ఆక్సిటోసిన్ హైపోథాలమస్ నుంచి న్యూరోహైపోఫైసిస్ నుంచి బ్లడ్ నుంచి యుట్రిన్ వాల్ కి వస్తుంది. యుట్రిన్ వాల్ లో కంట్రాక్షన్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతాయి. సో ఫైనల్లీ by the vigorous contraction of uterus muscles, okay, within the mother, okay, urge to push sensation will be generated. And along with this, neuroendocrine mechanism is also started here. Neuroendocrine mechanism It is also called as a neuroendocrine complex. It is started. In this neuroendocrine complex, certain hormones are involved. That hormones are the CEO hormones. Okay, that hormones are the CEO. CEO means here C for cortisol, C for cortisol, and E for estrogen, E for estrogen, and O for oxytocin, O for oxytocin. So these three hormones are involved in the neuroendocrine complex or neuroendocrine mechanism. In this neuroendocrine complex, these three hormones are involved, and there is no progesterone in this endocrine complex. Okay, these three hormones are several fold more increased, thereby these are helps to increasing the production of energy. Cortisol, gluconeogenesis, more glucose, estrogen, oxytocin, these are helps to parturition of baby. Okay, so these are finally, okay, within the mother, the urge to push sensation will be generated. So finally, by the vigorous contraction of muscle, and at the same time, simultaneously, the relaxin act on the uterine wall. Simultaneously, what is the relaxin hormone? The relaxin hormone act on this. The relaxin, okay, relaxin hormone act on the uterus wall, not relaxin on this, not on this. Okay, relaxin, it is act on the hypophysis muscles, hypophysis joint here, pubic symphysis muscles here, not hypophysis here, pubic symphysis muscles, pubic symphysis. So pubic symphysis muscles is relaxed, thereby the birth canal size will be increased. How the birth canal is formed means by the involvement of two structures. One is the cervical canal, second one is the what is vaginal canal. Cervical canal, vaginal canal. These two are involved in the formation of birth canal. The birth canal diameter is increased by the relaxation of pubic symphysis muscles in the ventral to the pelvic region, in the pelvic girdles. So this is the parturition process. This is the parturition. Okay. Then finally the baby delivery process completed. Okay. Baby comes out from the mother uterus. Baby comes out from mother uterus. From uterus. Okay. This is called the delivery. And after releasing the baby, okay, and after 20 minutes from the baby delivery, the placenta will be comes out. Again, the second time uterine contractions are started, and first baby released out from the mother uterus. Then after 20 minutes, again the placenta also what is released out. Again the contractions are again reinitiated. Again the placenta also can be delivered from the mother body to outside through the birth canal. This is the parturition or delivery of baby. These are the important points here. What is the parturition will begins from fully developed fetus and placenta. Okay, so delivery process fetus and fully developed fetus and placenta. These are initiate the parturition signals. Okay, these are the important points. And after completion of this, next go to lactation. Next go to lactation. Okay, next go to lactation. Okay, after delivery of baby, the lactation process will be begin. Lactation means what? The process of releasing of milk from the mammary gland of mother. Okay, so the lactation is started after 24 hours from the parturition. In some moments, 48 hours time is also will be taken. Okay, see, in this, the lactation means the process of releasing of milk. It is the process of releasing of milk. The process of releasing of milk is called lactation. Okay, the process of releasing of milk is called lactation. Okay, for the milk production, which hormone has major role? That is the prolactin. Prolactin hormone has major role. Prolactin hormone. Okay, it is short form PRL. The prolactin hormone is the modified progesterone hormone. In previous class, I in class fifth, I clearly explained that. So for the development of mammary gland, estrogen, progesterone hormones are involved in from the puberty age. Means the total fats are modified into alveoli. Okay, the alveoli are the structural and functional unit of the mammary gland. Means from the alveoli, what is the milk production takes place by the stimulation of prolactin. Simply, the prolactin is the modified progesterone hormone. Modified progesterone hormone. Okay, it is one point. See, then once I'll write the what is hormonal regulation of lactation. See, it is the hypothalamus. Hypothalamus within the brain. Okay, it is the hypothalamus. Hypothalamus too. Okay, what is that signals are sent to the where directly anterior pituitary. Anterior pituitary. Actually, this is one order, but major role for the releasing of prolactin. What is? It is release the prolactin releasing hormone. Okay, these anterior pituitary can release the prolactin. Okay, this prolactin hormone act on alveoli. It is act on alveoli. The alveoli can release the milk. Alveoli can release the milk. So, and the milk is enter into the baby mouth. Milk is enter into the baby mouth. So, whenever the baby, whenever the baby started, okay, whenever the baby started the sucking process, okay, baby mouth, baby sucking milk, that signals are sent to the hypothalamus. Okay, the hypothalamus can release this and it is order. This is the stimulation. It is the hormonal regulation of milk production. Hormonal regulation. In previous class, we are clearly discussed that milk production purpose. I'll write one more point here. For milk production, prolactin. For milk production, prolactin hormone. Okay, and for milk ejection, oxytocin. For milk ejection, oxytocin. Okay, it is OT short form. So these two words are very, very important. These two words are very important here. It is one. And it is. Next, go to the first milk of the mother. Okay, the first milk of the mother is called colostrum. Very important. The first milk of mother. The first milk of mother is called colostrum. First milk of the mother is called colostrum. First milk of the mother is called colostrum. Very important point it is. It is the colostrum. First milk of the mother. And what is the nature of the colostrum? It is appeared in a light yellow color. It is the light yellow color. Light yellow color. It is giving the light yellow color. And within the colostrum, immunoglobulin is there. Immunoglobulin. The immunoglobulin is there. This immunoglobulin is also called as a antibody. Right? That antibody is the immunoglobulin A. This is the immunoglobulin A. These immunoglobulin A antibodies are increasing the what is what is that fetus, that infant baby immunity system. Infant baby immunity system will increase it. But that's why after parturition, what is the use of the giving the first milk to the mother baby from the mother means, in the first milk of the mother, which has more immunity cells, antibodies, that is are the IgA antibodies are there, which are helps to increase the immunity capacity of the fetus, increase the immunity capacity of the fetus. Understood? And these are the important points, and and within the milk proteins are there. That milk protein is the casein. For the digestion of milk protein within the infant baby stomach, what is the particular enzyme is there, that is the renin, and these are there. Okay, up to here the parturition is over, means the embryonic development, means pregnancy and embryonic development up to parturition, this chapter is over. Okay, we will meet in the next class with the new chapter, that is reproductive health. Okay, until that you keep going these classes, and I'll take one more class on this total. I'll explain previous year questions from last 10 years. I'll explain the previous year's question from this chapter. Okay, in the next class I'll explain to you that. After that I'll start the next new chapter, that is reproductive health. Until that you keep watching these videos, and if you have any doubt, then you send message in comment box, and we'll give the reply to you. Until that, okay, right, bye everyone.